and you are watching Disney Channel.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Breanna. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, then welcome back. As you see from the title, today we're gonna be doing a whole bunch of tie-dye shit, all that stuff, because we are bored and in quarantine. I never vlog. I always have my stand, and I have really short arms, so this just makes my head look way bigger than it already is. I don't know how I'm gonna have this set up. I laid down a big ass trash bag outside on my porch. I have these old ass Vans that have shit all on them. I know I should probably tape these, but I don't feel like it and I'm too lazy right now, so we're gonna like try and tie-dye these. I don't know what color, I don't know yet what I want to do. It probably won't turn out the way I want it. So now I'm just gonna get my shit to set up with, my dyes, my bleach, water, I think the damper, I don't know, gloves. Bought this tie-dye kit like a while ago. All the colors. I really like the brown and the black. Definitely gonna try that. I'm so excited. Also, when doing this project, clothes you don't give a shit about, like this hoodie, don't care. I get bleach on it or colors, don't really care. Not important, so. Alright, so I'm gonna try and do my Vans. I'm a little nervous. I mean, if it goes to shit, then it goes to shit. Let's see what colors we got here. I mean, as you see, that's reddish pink, so I don't know, something that I would wear a lot and to obviously cover up. I like that blue. It's like a purplish blue, so I might try that. I don't know, this is hard. We're just gonna go with whatever, right? I mean, I got my bowl of water and a cup to pour it into that. Alright, so I just put down this plastic down here. Came with it, I guess, obviously to protect. This is what it comes with. A few rubber bands. Let's see what it says on the back. Gloves, 16 gloves, 40 rubber bands. Yes, this is just showing what you can do. So we got all the dyes filled up. Kind of scared because it already looks like shit, but we're just gonna swirl around. I don't even know what we're doing here. Just gonna maybe cover up the sides. Whoa, that's a little stuff. Kind of trying to cover that up. This dye is really a mess. And we're just gonna...
You're gonna have a blue van, it's not even gonna be white.
I know. Damn, and I guess I could just paint these. It kind of looks cool. Trying to make myself feel better. You know what? I'm not gonna waste that. Kind of looks like tie-dye a little bit.
Is that how it's supposed to look?
No, I'm just going with it.
Oh,
Look, the front doesn't look too bad. See, that kind of looks like tie-dye a little bit, like watercolor. Maybe get on the bottoms, make it more like professional. Wow!
You should put like green or something in there.
I like them though. They
Do
look...
that like lime green.
Ew, really? I won't ever wear lime green though. Should I
Just
do
yellow.
like yellow? Or... But that might, no, that'll turn green.
Yellow, blue, and green.
I could do like pink or red. Cause look, there's a little bit of the pink already. Wait till TikTok sees this shit. Excited. This is actually turning, say, artistic. I am so artistic. The question is, do I want to do a different color on them? Yep, see, boys and girls. Just do a little bit, like keep it the white and ass shit. Yeah, because I already feel like I have like blue Vans. So like if we make them. Alright guys, I got the Vans done. I still got to paint the ends white. I mean, I should have taped them, but I didn't really feel like it, so I'll show you the finished product after I'm done with them. Looking a little ratchet right now, definitely for sure. It's been a long day. This is the finished product of them. Oh my god, I'm looking so ratchet right now. No makeup. I literally have been lazy all day, but I forgot to do an outro to my video. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. These are the Vans next day after. I think they turned out okay. Definitely some little touch-ups that I have to do to it, but other than that, I think it's fine. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Yeah, let me know what other videos you'd like to see, and rate this 1 out of 10, probably like a 4, maybe a 2. But I will see you guys in the next video.